अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। How are you, Zainab?
वालेकुम सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Yes, alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
How's going your practice?
I'm doing it from the book, uh, and whenever I study Quran, I also try to find out fragments of. We have just started sentences, so basically, I'm doing about thing about fragments.
So, have you found out some sentences for Jumla Ismiya?
Uh, I have not noted anything down actually, and जुमला इसमिया वगैरह जो है ना वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ज्यादा कन्वर्सेशन की अगर उसमें हम करें बात तो उसमें जरा ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से इसको शायद समझ सकते हैं।
Mm-hmm.
कुरान में तो मुझे इतना
We
ज्यादा
will,
मैंने नहीं देखा।
Zainab, we will do it inshallah after the completion of the Jumla Ismiya. Before going towards the Jumla failure, we will cover it through the dialogues. Okay. Right now, I want you guys that wherever you are getting stuck or having some confusion towards understanding that how the way we can explain about the Jumla Ismiya or and how many parts of the Jumla Ismiya. So far, do you have any confusion or are you getting stuck somewhere? So you can ask. Like for instance, let me ask you. इसको हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. लेट्स चेक इट आउट. वेट अ मिनट. यहीं पर कर लेते हैं. ओके. वी हैव डन जुमला इसमिया लाइक वेट. हमने क्या पढ़ा था जुमला इसमिया में? व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स इन जुमला इसमिया?
Yes, it starts with an ism and it has three parts. Mubtada, that is the subject,
मुब्तदा
and
हैज थ्री
then
नेम्स.
khabar.
मुब्तदा हैज थ्री नेम्स.
Yes, okay,
टॉपिक एंड
okay.
डूअर.
Topic, subject, or predication, sorry.
या.
Subject, topic, and doer. Yes.
ओके. एंड
Yes.
uh, and what else? What do we do in how the way we can find out the mubtada inside the sentence of jumla ismiya?
It's Rafa most of the time.
It has two options. Either it would be rafa or either it would be harfin nasab.
Yes.
Do
Yes.
you remember harfin nasab? Inna, anna, lakinna,
जी जी
right? So any
जी
of the any single harf of nasab, if it is present in the sentence, so automatically we would have to understand that this is mubtada. Or else, if there is first rafa in the sentence, first rafa. Always remember there might be more than one rafa in the sentence, and we can have some confusion that uh, if rafa is mubtada, so how many, like if there are multiple rafas in the sentence, so how can I figure out that which rafa is mubtada? So always we have to see in the first in the sentence that we have first rafa.
जी
Okay,
that
first.
is the subject.
Yeah, first rafa would be mubtada always. All right, and then also we have to remember that the second one is khabar, right?
जी
So always
खबर
mubtada comes in the sentence at first and khabar comes at second place.
जी
They can't able to change their position. Okay,
yes
so we need to figure out that first rafa would be the mubtada and then second rafa would be khabar and nothing else.
खबर
Khabar
जी
has no other option. Only we have to remember that after looking on mubtada, finding out the mubtada in the sentence, we have to see that what's next. If next one is rafa, so it would be khabar. And what is the khabar? It's what? Information,
Predicate.
right?
Information is. जी.
Information or object or being
Predicate.
done to, right?
Yes. जी.
Got it, Zainab?
Yes. Yes.
Can we move forward? So far, you understood?
Yes.
Okay, we have part of Jumla Ismiya. What is that?
मुतालिक बिल खबर. मुतालिक बिल खबर.
Okay. How can we find out Mutalik bil Khabar in Jumla Ismiya? What is it?
It's jar. It's jar. Always jar. मजरूर.
Okay, it's
वाला sentence.
like what would be the understanding regarding finding out the Mutalik bil Khabar from the sentence? Like
Just
it would
extra
have the
information
extra,
about
yeah, it would be
yes,
the extra information about
about the खबर.
exactly about Khabar. All right. And we have two options in Mutalik bil Khabar. First is jar majroor,
Okay.
and second is special mudaf. Okay, not mudaf alayh. Only special mudaf and
Special.
jar majroor would
वो
be
तो फ्रेगमेंट है ना.
mudaf. जी,
वो तो फ्रेगमेंट है. मुदाफ मुदाफ के लिए तो सेंटेंस में आएगा भी नहीं.
fragments all together make the sentence basically. All right, but
हम्म.
we have to see these three things. We are not going to understand the that fragments are coming or and we have to figure out where are the fragments. To understand the jumla ismiya, we have to take out three parts of jumla ismiya. What are they? Mubtada, khabar, and mutalik bil khabar. Right now, we have to figure out that in mutalik bil khabar, these two things should be present. Then we can say this is mutalik bil khabar. And you know,
ओके.
jar majroor is fragment. Special mudaf is fragment. Harf nasab is fragment, which comes in mubtada. Do you remember?
Yes, but come they when they come all together, then they will make a sentence.
Exactly. Then it becomes jumla ismiya. Let's
Yes.
do some.
And
Yes.
only special mudaf is here or like asmaul khamsa also.
No, special mudaf only.
Okay.
Okay, special mudaf and jar majroor. Here you have the list, complete details. Like you can find out here. All of the things are given in details on page number 32 in the short book which
Yes,
I
I
have
have it
shared.
spelled out.
See,
Yes.
finding the invisible is. How would we find it? I will explain it today now. Independent pronouns are usually followed by is. Like I am a Muslim. Ana Muslimun.
Same.
All right, here. Do
जी.
you remember that we have learned a chart where independent pronouns and attached pronouns were given? Do you remember that? And I told you that
Yes.
independent pronouns are rafa, always rafa, and attached pronouns
Yes.
are always nasab and jar.
जी.
So here, ana would be what? Rafa.
Independent. Yes, it's Rafa.
So it is mubtada of the sentence. Okay? And Muslimun,
Khabar.
khabar, because it is another rafa. and this is inside in between the I am. So we need to figure out that finding invisible is M or R in between the sentences. This is called the breaking sentence. Like for instance, we will see like you were asking na that ma'am, they are fragments mudaf mudaf ilayh and ismul ishara, and so when we see these fragments inside the sentence, so we need to figure out that invisible is or M or R inside the sentence. That is called breaking, chain breaker. What is it called?
जी, चेन चेन ब्रेकर किसको कहा आपने?
Is M and R. These are
These are
chain breaker.
helping verbs, so do we put them for the making sense of the sentence
See,
when we convert it to
yeah,
translate it?
here, let me explain to you. A break in the chain. We were introduced to concept of words having a relationship with the words around them when we studied the five fragments in the previous chapter. As long as a word is a part of one of these five fragments, it is in a relationship and is a part of what we call the chain. A chain of words that are all connected in some way. Are you getting my point? Like we, as soon as we find out the words that are not a part of one of the following relationships, we have a break in the chain. If you find multiple breaks, the is goes after the first break. Like for instance, let me check. Take a look at the following examples. We have these examples. See, Zainab, be careful. And if you don't understand this point, so kindly ask me. Al mal, al malu wal banuna, right? Al malu wal banuna, wealth and children. See, there is a break. Are you getting my point? What
Oh,
I'm trying to say?
जी जी.
We need to figure out that where is the chain breaker. We need to find out that invisible is M or R. So we can easily figure out how to translate the sentence from Arabic in English.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
जी.
This is also included in Jumla Ismiya. That's why I'm trying to explain to you. Wealth and children. Al malu, wealth, wal banuna, and children. Break आ गया ये? There is a break. R. Now, zinatul hayat dunya, an adornment of the lowest life. All right?
जी.
यानी बच्चे दौलत और बच्चे क्या हैं?
दुनिया की जीनत,
हाँ,
दुनिया की जिंदगी की जीनत है.
एग्जैक्टली exactly. दुनिया की जिंदगी की जीनत है. ठीक है. तो इसमें फ्रेगमेंट कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं? सबसे पहले तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू सी द फ्रेगमेंट्स.
ओके, जीनतुल हयाती, ये आपका मुदाफ मुदाफ ले है.
फर्स्टली इट
और
इज
हयाती,
कनेक्टेड. इट इज अ कनेक्टर. अतफ
बट
मातुफ.
दे आर नॉट अतफ मातुफ.
या.
माली. ओके ओके, यस यस यस, अतफ
So
मातुफ
there
हो
is a
मैं.
break. Yes. You see, this is the connector fragment, so there is a break. This is the break. Here we need to figure out what is invisibly hidden it. Is M or R? Like this we find out. Are you getting my point?
ये इतना डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं है, मतलब अगर हमें पता
Yes,
है कि दो चीजों की बात हो रही है तो हम आर लगाएंगे, अगर मेरी हो रही है बात
exactly.
अपनी तो आर हम एम लगाएंगे,
Exactly. If
सिंगुलर
we
पे इज
have the
लगाएंगे.
understanding, if we have the understanding, right?
Okay.
So there is no connection between Al-Banuna and Zina. So there is a break in the chain. Like Zina is connected to Hayat through an idafa. Like what is the izafa and what is the mudaf?
मुदाफ इज जीनत, जीनतु,
Zinatul Hayati, right? Mudaf
जीनतुल
mudaf
हयाती
ilayh.
इज मुदाफ मुदाफ इलैह. यस.
Exactly. And where is Mausuf Sifa?
जीनत एंड दुनिया. जीनतु इज जीनतु सिफा है, लेकिन ये तो पहले आ गई।
हयात दुनिया, दुनिया की जिंदगी। जीना इज मौसूफ सिफा इज हयात दुनिया। अल हयाती एंड दुनिया, हयात इज मौसूफ एंड दुनिया इज सिफा। Wait a minute.
हयाती इज
Ad-dunya is
हयात
connected
इज
to al-hayat as its sifa. Okay, yes. Ad-dunya is connected to hayati as its sifa. So dunya is sifa and hayat is mausuf. This is the chain fragment. Zinatul hayat means adornment of the life.
लाइफ।
Okay, and completely we can translate it the zenith of the worldly life. Hayat dunya. Right? So Hayat is Mausuf and Dunya is Sifa and Zinatul Hayati is Madaf Fi'l. So this is the chain fragment. And we figured out that here is the break. Okay, Zana?
यस
I hope you got it.
यस बस डिफिकल्ट मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ये सिफा और मौसूफ वाले का हुआ है थोड़ा सा कि हयाती जो है वो आपका सिफा है, और मौसूफ दुनिया है ना? नहीं, मौसूफ
Exactly.
हयाती है,
And
उसका
and we
मतलब
also
ये
can
होगा।
see all of the four properties that either they are similar or not. If they are similar, so that's why we can say that this is Sifa Mausuf. Mausuf Sifa, sorry. All right?
ओके।
In these examples, we need to focus to understand that the chain, where the chain breaks, like al and anfalu. Now we are reciting al anfalu lillahi wa rasuli. So this word is separate. So here there is a break in between. What is the break? The spoils of war are lillahi for Allah wa rasuli and Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So where is the chain breaker? After al anfal. Are you listening me?
जी।
So
तो
R
इसमें हम इस तरह से इसको थोड़ा रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, यानी एक ऑप्शन के लिए कि ये आपस में कनेक्ट नहीं होंगे, बिल्कुल भी कनेक्ट नहीं होंगे, यानी जैसे मिल जाते हैं ना अल्फाज,
exactly,
अल्फाज लाम जो है वो अगले लफ्ज से मिल जाए, तो वो
exactly.
भी नहीं होगा इनके अंदर।
Yes,
ओके,
chain
देन दे
is
आर
breaking. Here chain is breaking. So where chain is breaking, so in that breaker, chain breaker, we need to find out invisible, hidden is M and R. Then we can easily figure out how to translate then and add helping words like is M and R. All right. So lillahi
जी।
is which fragment?
जार मजरूर।
Jar majroor.
ना मेरा हर ऑब्जेक्ट।
Exactly. And war rasuli, this is connector word. Ataf, harfe ataf. Got it?
जी।
I hope you understood. I would suggest you that this is the page number 58. So kindly go through the page number 58 and all of the, try to practice all of the words which are given here on this page. Let me do some other sentences. Here we have the ideas through Quran. Like here we have to figure out how can we describe the all of the part in Jumla Ismiya. So these are the Jumla Ismiya. Like for instance, let's do this. Can you figure out this is the Jumla Ismiya? So how can we take out all of the three parts from this sentence?
इन्ना से स्टार्ट करें, फिर याजूजा व माजूजा, ये एक हो गया। मतलब आपको फ्रेगमेंट तो नहीं बतानी, इसमें भी ब्रेक करना है ना?
आपने फ्रेगमेंट नहीं बताने, बल्कि आपने इसमें जुमला इस्मिया के पार्ट्स इलेबरेट करने हैं, ओके।
ओके ओके ओके। इसमें अब इन्ना से स्टार्ट हो रहा है जुमला, ये हमारा जुमला इसमिया है। और याजूजा व माजूजा, इनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी जा रही है, तो ये मुब्तदा होंगे।
ये देखें, इन्ना हरफ नसब है, एंड इन्ना जो है वो किस में है, किसका पार्ट है, मुब्तदा का, राइट। सो
जी
हरफ नसब इधर भी आ रहा है, इसको नसब बना रहा है और इसको भी नसब बना रहा है। तो ये
जी जी।
कंप्लीट पूरा क्या बन जाएगा, मुब्तदा।
सही।
ऑल राइट।
यस यस।
ओके, वी हैव मुब्तदा हियर। देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज,
मुफसिदूना, ये फेल है यहाँ पे। फसाद मचाते हैं, नहीं फसे, फेल नहीं है। तो ये फसाद मचाएंगे, तो ये उनकी खबर है जो मुब्तदा के बारे में बता रही है कि वो क्या करेंगे।
इसका रीजन बताएं मुझे कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि ये खबर है।
ये क्योंकि ये नसब
हाउ
में है।
हाउ हाउ कैन वी रिकॉग्नाइज दैट दिस इज खबर।
नसब कह रही हूँ। रफा, इट्स अ रफा।
एग्जैक्टली,
एंड
दिस
सेकंड
इज
रफा।
कॉम्बो,
यस।
कॉम्बो रफा, राइट। तो सो
जी
इट इज कॉल्ड खबर। एंड व्हाट इज
जी।
दिस।
दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन, देन इट्स एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन। क्या क्या था? मुतालिक बिल खबर।
Okay, but give me the reason to explain that why I'm calling it मुतालिक बिल खबर.
इट्स हर्फ ऑफ जर, here we have हर्फ ऑफ जर।
Yes, this is हर्फ जार मजरूर. Okay,
जी जी
understood, Zainab? In this way, we need
जी
to check out the things. So far, got the clarity?
जी।
Okay, now let's come here. Wait. Let me show you something else. Wait. Yes, I was trying to tell you that these are the these are the short tips that they have explained when we find out the things in Jumla Ismiya. First thing we have discussed about invisible is, am, or are, and pointer words which are non-flexible. Okay, pointer
हाँ।
words like haza, zalika. These pointer words would come if they would come. Okay, and do you remember that we have discussed earlier? Are they Rafa, Nasab, or Jar? Can you please tell me?
ये आर रफा।
Yes. So here we have, do it.
ओके। मालिका इज मुब्तदा,
Okay. Because,
एंड बिकॉज इट्स रफा।
all right.
देन मिन आयातिल्लाही, एंड इट्स गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट आयातिल्लाही। मिन आयातिल्लाही इज खबर।
Min ayatillahi is khabar. Are you sure? Min
नो
is,
इट्स
what is
नहीं,
min?
बिकॉज इट्स min is a harf of jar,
Is there
and
any rafa
it's
here?
rafa.
Why you are saying
No,
it's khabar?
no, it's not cover. If there is no rafa, uh,
This
there
whole,
is.
yeah, this whole thing is
Yes,
mutalik bil khabar.
okay.
There is no khabar in between. Okay?
जुमला इस्मिया के पार्ट्स कोई मिस हो सकते हैं, यानी मुब्तदा तो लाजमी होगा मगर खबर या मुतालिक बिल खबर कैन बी देयर और नॉट।
No, any of the mandatory thing comes. Like anything can be present, anything can be absent.
नथिंग इज मैंडेटरी।
Through the conditions, you have to figure out that either mubtada, khabar, and mutalik bil khabar are present in the sentence or not. Okay.
ओके।
All right. So in this sentence, there is no khabar because how can be khabar it is? We don't have the second rafa here. We have the jar majroor min ayati and ayatillahi. This is the mudaf alayh fragment. But we
ओके।
are not seeing right now fragments. We only figure out according to the conditions which we have learned through regarding understanding the Jumla Ismiya. So we need to check those conditions. Like first condition would be Zalika is marfu, that's why it's mubtada, and min ayatillahi is jar majroor. No second rafa here, so no khabar here. Got it?
यस।
Okay, now ilahukum ilahum wahidun.
इलाहुकुम इलाहुम वाहिदुन। इलाहुकुम is complete is mubtada because it has point attached pronoun।
We have ilahu.
ओके। इलाहु मतलब माबूद को कहेंगे ना यहाँ पे।
Kum
कुम
we have rafa or nasab.
कुम वी हैव
Kum
नसब।
is independent pronoun or attached pronoun.
इट इज अटैच प्रोनाउन, इट इज अ नसब। और नसब और जर में दोनों हो सकते हैं। नसब सही तो बोल रही हूँ, नसब और जर
Yes.
बिकॉज
What?
इट्स अटैच प्रोनाउन।
Give me a second, Zainab. Yes, this is the whole one is mubtada.
जी।
Ilahukum, tum sabka ilaha, right?
जी।
tum sabka ilaha. Yes,
जी।
Zainab.
और इलाहुन। यस। दिस इज।
And this is the break in between. Can you see the break?
जी।
Whatever we have
जी।
learned right now.
जी।
This is separate. This is the break. So this is
जी।
mubtada and this is khabar. How can we
इलाहुन
figure out it
वाहिदुन।
is khabar? Because we have second rafa. Ilahun wahidun.
जी दोनों ही खबर हैं।
जी इलाहुन
दोनों वर्ड
वाहिदुन
खबर
यानी
हैं।
एक इलाहा वाहिदुन एक इलाहा
जी।
ऑल राइट
जी।
इला किसको कहते हैं
माबूद को कहते हैं।
लॉर्ड रब राइट माबूद सो
जी।
इलाहुकुम तुम सबका इलाहा इलाहुन वाहिदुन एक इलाहा सो इसको ट्रांसलेट कैसे करेंगे
इलाहुकुम तुम सबका
योर लॉर्ड
रब, या तुम सबका माबूद खुद।
या
और
लॉर्ड
इलाहुन या फिर इंग्लिश में अगर हम योर लॉर्ड इज द ओनली लॉर्ड,
यस सी दिस इज द
इंग्लिश यहाँ
चेन
बीच में आ
ब्रेकर
जाए।
and we need to figure out invisible is. Lord of you all is
जी,
all
is, yes,
the
the
alone.
only Lord.
Yes, the only
जी,
Lord or all right.
ली लगेगा मेरा ख्याल है यहाँ पे, जी.
What?
Yes, your Lord is the only Lord.
Exactly. Or Lord of you all is only Lord. If we want that we have to present kum as well. So Lord of you all is only Lord or your Lord is only Lord. So see, in this
Okay.
way we can translate the things. It would be easier for us that how can we see the chain breaker. Okay, Zainab. Now let's see this one.
Okay. Zalika is ibnu Maryam. Zalika is Mubtada,
Okay.
and uh, and here is the breaker. After Zalika is will come. Okay. And Isa ibn Maryam is Isa is non-flexible, so we can call it khabar.
Isa
और हम
ibn
मिला के करें
Maryama.
तो मुतालिक भी खबर.
Yeah, Isa is non-flexible. And Ibnu
Yes.
Maryama, ये भी हमारे पास पूरा ये क्या है सेकंड रफा है तो ये
Okay.
क्या हो
Maryama is also non-flexible. Sorry,
नॉन
partly
फ्लेक्सिबल
flexible है.
नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल ठीक है is
Non.
either no
Maryam,
not
Maryam.
non flexible it would be partly flexible sorry Maryamu Maryama Maryama do you remember
जी, तो यहाँ पे फिर मरियम मुंह ही होना चाहिए था ना. अगर हम इसको कहें कि ये खबर है, इसको तो फिर रफा ही होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि ये रफा स्टेटस में तो हमारे पास है ही सारे.
I think
वैसे जो
Maryamu नहीं होगा
नॉन मुझे
Maryama
लगा.
ही है I think so this name is non flexible I have to confirm it
ओके.
it would come in Maryama form. That's it. Either it would be Rafa, Nasab or Jar, I guess. Let me clear it because this whole word is including in khabar. Isabnu Maryama. So it might be non-flexible and it comes always in Maryama, Maryama, Maryama. So I'll definitely try to figure out, try to check. All right. Okay, let's do this. Al-haqqu min rabbikum.
अल हक्कु में रब्बिकुम. ओके. हक. हक. अल हक्कु इज मुब्तदा and मेरे रब्बिकुम is मुतालिक बिल खबर.
Reason?
अल हक्कु is nasab and it's the first rafa. Then mir become because it's a harf of jar and there is attached pronoun with it, so it can't be khabar.
Okay, that's great. Good job. All right, so next would be Ana Rabbuka.
Yes. Ana rabbuka. Ana is mubtada and rabbuka is mutalik with khabar. Again, there is a attached pronoun. And the break is in between. Ana rabbuka is this. I am your Lord.
Yes, Ana, break, I am, chain
Yes.
breaker, and Rabbuka, Rabbuka
Your Lord.
is your Lord. So, meaning, how can we write it? I am your Lord. Okay?
जी. तो मुतालिक बिल खबर ही होगा.
No, there is no mutalik bil khabar here. Okay? Can you see the jar
तो
majroor
ये
or special mudaf here? No?
अना रब्बुका
Is there any
जार
jar
मजरूर
majroor or mudaf special mudaf here? No or yes?
स्पेशल मुदाफ इन्ना और अन्ना थे, अना तो नहीं था कोई भी।
अना तो आई को कहते हैं ना. This is what I'm saying. That's why there is no मुतालिक बिल खबर here. Okay?
तो ये मुब्तदा भी नहीं है ना, ओ सॉरी ये रफा
रब्बू
भी
का
नहीं
इस
है ना,
खबर.
रब्बू का अगर बन
रब्बू का इस खबर.
तो
Why?
होना तो
Because
खबर ही
we
चाहिए,
have
लेकिन
second rafa
का,
here, no?
तो का जो लग रहा है उसका क्या करेंगे?
That is attached pronoun. When we have the rabbu, we have the rafa, and the attached pronoun is with the rafa, so it's automatically gets in rafa.
ओके,
All
अगर
right,
डायरेक्ट अटैच प्रोनाउन कनेक्ट होगा
like
किसी
here,
किसी
here.
मरफू से तो हम उसको खबर कहेंगे।
The attached pronoun with the second rafa would not do anything. That's why it would be automatically included. We won't think about it when we have the when we have the attached pronoun in the form of attaching with the second rafa or first rafa. Like here, see, with mubtada it is attaching, and here with second rafa is here. So we need to figure out only that either it would be rafa or not. Okay, Zainab, is there any confusion?
नो, इट्स गेटिंग क्लियर विद प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज आई थॉट ये जब भी जो है वो लगेगा अटैच प्रोनाउन लगेंगे तो वो चीज जो है इसका स्टेटस चेंज हो जाएगा और नसब जर में चला
ऑटोमेटिकली
जाएगा।
वो
लेकिन
चेंज नहीं होगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. देखें, आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू दैट इफ इट इज connected attached with mubtada or khabar, so it would not count. We have to ignore
यस,
it. That's
गॉट
it.
इट,
Okay.
यस, यस,
All right, let's do this. Okay, tell me one thing. We have the 1 minute left, so can we restart the session, or shall
यस,
it?
यू कैन टेक अनदर,
Sorry.
आई कैन टेक अनदर वन।
All right, sure. So इसको यहाँ wrap up करते हैं ताकि हम फिर इसको rejoin करें. I'm going to share another link. All right.
ओके, ओके, ओके।